So guys, I've had this issue with my Nest Thermostat where hot air is coming out when it's supposed to be cold. It could also be the opposite, cold air when it's supposed to be hot. So to correct this, first just press on your thermostat. Scroll to settings. Scroll all the way to the right. Select reset. So this is going to factory reset your Nest Thermostat. Select all settings. So now it's going to factory reset. Just keep in mind you're going to have to sign back into your accounts. Go and turn the wheel. Select OK. It should turn off. Go for the setup. Okay, it's back up. Let me go check. Yep, cold air. Okay guys, thanks for watching.